And a good morning to you all. It is a Wednesday morning, and as you see live, United flight there, it's backed up and just about ready, I'm sure, to take off there sometime soon. Look at that pretty sky. High clouds have moved in. It makes for a beautiful backdrop. You can see some reds, even kind of magentas and purples here. With this kind of high clouds and mid-level clouds, that's how it helps diffuse that light and really make for a pretty start to the day. High clouds coming a little earlier than anticipated, but so we actually may get a high overcast that may be opaque enough to block the sun by the afternoon. But overall, things are in pretty good shape for today. But things are going to change as we head on toward tomorrow. Let's go right to Futurecast here and show you what we've been showing on the air for the balance of the morning. Uh, so again, things are good for today. Evening commutes tonight looking pretty good. After midnight, here is what we're looking at. You can see kind of the magentas here and the pinks, indicative of a freezing mix. Uh, Again, I emphasize, like I did yesterday, nothing's etched in stone here, but the threat of some freezing precipitation, freezing mix, which is basically a mix of freezing rain, sleet, wet snow, and rain. The hardest part is trying to figure out how much of each. And right now, here in Erie, I'm not going to rule out some freezing rain, mainly during, say, that 4 to 7 a.m. time frame, right around the evening rush hour. There could be some slickness, especially, say, south of 26th Street, south of Route 20 toward the I-90 corridor. It may be a little icy, at least on the side roads. But temperature should stay above freezing after that for the most part. And I think the ice threat here in Erie and the lakeshore in general, relatively low. Once you get south of 90, McCain, Waterford, Corey, Edinburgh, all of the snowbelt areas, and most of Crawford County, Warren and Jamestown, by 6 o'clock, you can see there's going to be some freezing precipitation here. Now, as we go through the morning, can see, in fact, they have the changeover as early as 8 o'clock, even Meadville to Edinburgh. That would be great if that happens. But by 9 o'clock, most of the precip in Erie and Crawford County should change over to a rain or a rain-snow mix. So while we'll make for icy roads, I don't think we'll have too many other difficulties with that as far as travel is concerned or any other disruptions. Now toward Warren and into Jamestown, that changeover may not occur until midday and perhaps even early afternoon. Um, you see, they keep the pinks there through much of at least early afternoon. If that's the case, we can get some enough ice on the lines where we could get some power outages, particularly when you factor in the winds, which by tomorrow, as you can see, getting up there 45, maybe even 50 miles an hour by midday tomorrow. So if there's ice on the lines, they may snap a little bit. This is, again, Warren, Chautauqua counties if they did occur. Now, the wind itself will probably cause other power disruptions locally, but I don't think the ice will add too much to that effect for Erie and Crawford County. So bottom line, tomorrow could be a rough go in the morning here in Erie. I mean, the wind itself is going to make it difficult all the way around. But here in Erie, the ice threat fairly low and probably confined to just early morning commuters. Everyone else, though, mid-morning out toward Meadville, Corey, and Edinburgh, and probably in the early afternoon for Warren and out toward Jamestown. So that's kind of what we're looking at weather-wise for tomorrow. But things, let's go back to the Futurecast here. So things after that, Thursday night into Friday, not much here. Southeast winds shifting to southwest. And looking further ahead, the wind direction here. Let's see, can I make a quick... Let's see if I can make a quick change here without taking too much time. I'm just changing the winds. I'm not changing. I'm just changing the winds here. You can see it's not nearly as this model not big with that. Oh, would be good if I actually put out. Okay. How about we go there? Okay, why is that still going to Fridays? Okay, I don't know why. Oh, because I picked Friday. How about going to Sunday? There we go. Okay, so here it is, and I know it's kind of hard to. So you're going to see the clouds stop here, but the wind directions won't. Now on Saturday, boy, it's even harder to see than I expected. But you see the winds are mainly southwest. So that's not a good wind direction for lake effect bands of snow. Let me see. I think I can. Let me change this. Oop. There. This might actually help a little bit. So you can see most of the precip as we head toward Saturday is, sorry, the clouds make it hard to see, but the precip is mainly here over the lake on Saturday. Then on Sunday, it starts to move closer to shore. And that's when things are going to get interesting. So where we could actually get some, some pretty decent snowfalls. So again, not gonna. We'll talk more on this tomorrow, but get ready. Saturday, Friday and Saturday, not really bullish on it. Sunday, has the best chance of seeing that best chance of seeing all that stuff there. Okay, so actually, I'm just going to cancel this. Let me revert. Okay, there. All righty, everyone. Let's go right to the 7-day here. And there you have it. Again, Friday, Saturday, not much. Sunday, and we'll end fall, at least on the calendar, with maybe a little light snow from Monday and Tuesday. Sorry, guys, I can't say hello to y'all. I had to spend too much time here. Kind of a, a lot to talk about here, a lot to put in, but got to leave here and do some cut-ins there. So good seeing you. Thank you all for coming in today. I'll definitely going to, definitely will chat more on that tomorrow. And for those who I see a couple of you asking here, Dave is back for tomorrow morning. All right, everyone, enjoy your day. Take care.